Reggie, go that way. Last game of the day. I can't do anything and that's why I've just been sitting there.
Alright, you see, dead in front of me. Right, yeah. Barricade, past the shed.
There's literally one right behind me.
Still there?
Yeah, I just can't do anything because there's a guy just shooting at me.
See him, Owen?
Try move down.
You fell?
Ronnie, try come down.
Wait, did you fall over?
Pushing up, mate. You're pushing up, mate. You need to be watching, you're not watching. You're not looking. You need to get down there. You're standing there when you can't see through anything. You can't do anything when you just stood there doing nothing all the time.
What? Right, Jacqueline?
Is there anyone direct in front?
Yeah.
I might try and pick it up.
Right in front of us.
Oh, I see. I'm gonna try my grenade. This game might try using it.
Right there.
Yeah, I know where. I know this.
Nowhere near fire.
Oh, shut up.
Huh?
Sorry.
Try push up, try push up.
John?
I don't know. Can't see. Can't see from this angle.
I've got sound on me, man. Oh, now it's our own teammate. Oh, son, somebody help.
I'll try to push up.
Huh?
Try to push up to the shed. Oh, hit. Last game and this. See him right there.
There's someone in the hill and they're gone.
Yeah.
I've been gripping the handle too tight. We can't go past. Right. Where is he? Oh! Jesus Christ.
Did I hit you?
No, it's over there. They're going for the left side. They're going for the left side. We should try to stop as far as we can. We can't go past the hill, right?
He's on the shed.
This is like the practice game, isn't it?
Hit. Good aim, good aim. Good bit of day. That's the last game.
I'm covering you, I'm ready. James, just for a laugh, can I run past you with my pistol?
On the hill.
On the hill.
Oh.
I need you to shoot them, Ronnie.
Huh?
I need you to shoot them.
Yeah. That would be good.
Just get behind barricades and lay down.
Can't see him.
As they say in the old theatre. Ronnie, you can cover fine.
Nice one, mate. Keep it down, buddy. Have it. Question, where's your teammate?
There is. There's still one more somewhere, mate. Not here, who's the teammate? Yeah, that's your Ronnie. The other Ronnie's out there.
We did. I'm Ronnie 1, he's Ronnie 2. I think you shot me enough. Is it 3 spaces or like? James, is it 3 spaces?
Just go back and find
Oh, please tell me I got an action cam. Right. Oh, please tell me I got that on camera how I got them.
Does it make a powerful shoot him? And then they're both dead.
Huh?
He went all the way out the window on the other side. It seems to be a bit of a free-for-all now.
Oh, we should turn the camera. What's going on?
30 seconds!
I got my revenge. That's all I really care. Did I? My bad, Tony.
5, 1, game over!
I'll take that. I got Tony. That's all I really care.
It was Owen, not me.
Wait, where did I shoot you?
Almost in my bits.
Oh. Huh?
I don't know, but I got someone in the private.
That was payback for shooting me earlier, right
I
now.
shot 2 rounds into someone's private. Like one of these two, I shot one of them in the private.